Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you get all the notifications. Today I'm going to show you how to send an email on a phone. You're going to learn how to send it on both an iPhone and an Android. But the good news is you don't have to watch both parts of the video. You can go down to the chapters in the description and skip to the chapter on either iPhone or Android, depending on what type of device you're using. Let's get started. All right, Kurt with Teach Mom How. We are now learning how to send an email using an iPhone and the Gmail app. So you just need the Gmail app installed. If you haven't created a Gmail account or haven't linked it, go back to my video on how to create a Gmail account. It's on the Teach Mom How YouTube channel. And here we are, we're logged in, okay? This is really straightforward. It's very similar to how you do it on a computer, but this is how you do it on an iPhone. You click this compose button. It's already going to by default show that it's from your email address. You need to type in the email address of the person you're sending this to. Okay? And that person, it does not have to be case sensitive like a password. It can be all caps, it can be all lowercase, it can be a mix of both. It doesn't really matter as long as you type it exactly correct. If you don't type it correctly, you'll probably get an email back telling you that it didn't send properly, or you might get it might go to the wrong person. Okay, so then your subject should be relevant to what it is, to what the email's about, so that they'll actually open it. And then just type a nice professional looking email. Okay. James, don't forget the meeting today. And I'm not gonna spend a lot of time, showing you how to actually write the email. That's up to you. It depends what you want to send. But now I can either send it by pushing this little paper airplane at the top. I can schedule it to send at a different time. I can discard it if I decide I didn't want to send this. I'll cancel that. Or I can add an attachment. This little paper clip at the top, if I click that and allow access to all of my photos, it's going to let me attach a photo if I choose to, or attach a file from my drive. Okay, so let's attach a photo just for practice, and let's click send. And that's really all there is to it. I just sent my email from my phone. Okay, you can check your inboxes here to make sure it's sent. Top left, click the hamburger and go down and find the sent airplane, and you'll see that I've sent a bunch of emails. Okay, so that's it. That is how you send emails using your iPhone. All right, we're going to send an email using an Android phone. It's very similar to doing it on an iPhone, just looks a little bit different. You log into the Gmail app on your phone first off, and just a reminder, this is what it looks like, that right there. So you open Gmail. If you haven't set up a Gmail account or installed this on your phone, you can go watch my video on Teach Mom How on how to create a Gmail account. Now, I simply just push this compose button. Type in the name of the person that I wish to send this email to. Okay, it does have to be typed exactly right. It doesn't matter if it's lowercase or uppercase, but you do have to type it exactly correct or it won't go. Give it a subject so they know what the email's about so that they open it. And then address it to the person. Okay. James, don't forget the meeting. Tell them who the email's from. Now, Type whatever you want to type, obviously, but you may be sending an assignment for school. So before you click the paper airplane to send it, you might need to attach a file. So click the paper clip if you need to attach a file. This is just where you might need to send a document or a photo or something else. You can either attach the file or you can insert it from your Google Drive account. But choose attach, and you can find whatever that file is that you're trying to send. Maybe it's just a picture, maybe it's whatever. Maybe it's a PDF, maybe it's some kind of an assignment you made in Google Drive. You can send that here. Then you click the paper airplane to send it. Now, if you click these three dots, you can also schedule it to send at a certain time or add a contact if you have someone's email saved in your phone. Now, we're ready to send this, so we're just going to click this paper airplane. Oh, one more thing to be aware of. You cannot attach large files. This is 3 megabytes. That's about as big as you ever want to send through an email. If you need to send something bigger, you'll need to use Google Drive, or you'll need to use WeTransfer as an option, or different things like that if you have to send a big video file or something like that. Now you click the paper, click the paper airplane, and down here at the bottom you'll see it sent my message. Okay, I can confirm that it sent it by going to the hamburger up here at the top left and going to sent folder. And you'll see that I just sent this urgent meeting email to Kurt. All right, that's it. That is how you send an email simply and easily using your Android phone. Now, please like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications from Teach Mom How so you get updates whenever we post new how-to videos. Hey, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Before you go anywhere else, check out this playlist I created for you. Everything you can ever need or want to know about Gmail is found in this playlist. Click the video playlist and watch. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications.